Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a registeel from Pokemon Battle Frontier. You must know, registeel is a steel type and was often seen in the movie Lucario and the Mystery of Mew. And he was also seen as one of the Battle Pyramid's strongest allies. And believe me, fighting him along with the other Pokemon and along with the other Reggie Ice and my favorite Regirock are kind of really tough to beat. But you need to be a high-class Pokemon trainer in order to catch them and even tame them. Let's get started. Okay, make sure the balls are nice and round. Okay, that's all. And there we go. That is how you draw a registeel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little fast, I think. Anyways, just for all you guys to know, Master Designs is a series for all ages. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe.